So now coming lecture number 2. So we were on where we get water from where topic where we get water from. So I have already explained first medium is rainwater. Okay, the water which come from rain, that is called rainwater, and naturally it collects into river, ponds, lakes, and from this it's that water is clean. So that water is dirty. When it will come into ponds, lakes, river, it is dirty. So it is cleaned at a cleaning station at very uh, at big water cleaning station. After that, the clean water is stored in tanks. Okay, and it is sent in homes, in cities and towns through pipes. It is underground pipes. Next is rainwater also enters the ground. The water from deep inside the ground is called groundwater. Told you guys there is three things. Only surface water is there, but in your book rainwater is given and second groundwater is also given. So rainwater also enters the ground. Enter the ground. It will go in river and it will go into the ground also. And the water from deep inside the ground. The water from deep, very deep. The water from deep inside the ground is called what? It's called ground. It's called ground. That's why people who live in very hot area, they do not get water. So what they do? They dig land, okay, and they make well. They dig one land, they make well, they make hand pumps, okay, hand pump also from digging the land very inside inland. Inland there is water also. So after digging, they usually get the water. So we use wells and hand pumps to get groundwater from under the ground. Right? We use wells and hand pumps to get groundwater from under the ground. Okay, we use wells. People who lives in village, these wells mainly you will find in village area. You will find this in city area, but mostly you will find this in village area where people means they are not able to afford that pumping sets. So they dig the land, they make wells, they make hand pump, then they use. Now our Indian government has also launched many schemes that in every home electricity should be there, water should be there. So at every place they make hand pumps for the usage. Okay. So now we will move to how water is stored. We have seen where do we water get from. Now we will see how water is stored. So water is stored in many ways. In our homes, water is stored in pots. Okay, the water is stored in many ways. In our homes, we use pots, we use buckets, we use bottles, we use rooftop tanks. Okay, whatever water which comes from our taps, actually that water is stored in our rooftop tanks. We collect water in pots, we collect water in buckets for later use. So anything used to store water should be clean and properly covered. If we use pots also, because that pots is made up of soil, so when we will give water, that soil particles will come out. So that also need to clean every day. Need to clean every day. That should be covered properly. If we use that water, that bucket, then bucket should be covered also, because if your bucket is uncovered, then flies, mosquito will drop into that water. If you will drink, you will get ill. And bottles also, bottles should be clean every day. They should be clean, because in on the bottom side all types of brass it's located there. Okay, dirty germs will be there, so that bottle also should be clean every day. Your rooftop tanks, not every day but once in a month, your rooftop tanks should be clean. Okay, because in that rooftop tanks inside some microorganisms stuck there, like and that is, which is actually in green color. Can you say Lz? I think so. So water is stored in many ways. Okay, in our homes, water is stored in pots, buckets, bottles, and rooftop tanks. And that's why anything used to store, anything used to store water should be clean and properly covered. Last point is, water from lakes and river is collected by building dams, and dams are high big walls built across river and lakes to hold back water. Okay, water from lakes and river is collected by building dams. How they collect? We collect water. So in between, this side also water and this side also water, and in between we build dams. So that's why that dams have high walls built across rivers. Okay, across rivers and lakes to hold back water. Like rivers is there, lakes is there, and the across. Okay, on the across in between we build dams, so it can hold the water and we can use it. Okay, we built that dam for water is used in generating electricity. Also, we use that water in irrigation. Also, in our home also for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning, dishes. So water from lakes and rivers is collected by building dams, and these dams are high built walls, very high, and both side water is there. Dams, high built walls, high wall builds across rivers and lakes to hold back water. So this chapter is over. So chapter 13 is over. Now in next class I will go for chapter 14, that is weather. So for now, goodbye to all of you.